All right, good morning or good afternoon. I am gone. Obviously, I have Camp Butler today, so I left a quick video. You're looking at my screen and me, hopefully. You're going to get on a Chromebook when instructed, and you're going to go to our Google Classroom, and you're going to click on the virtual lab. That should be the last thing that posted. It posted last night at midnight. Hope it didn't give you an alert because my watch went off because I had scheduled it. I won't be doing that again. So what you're going to be doing on this, it's not a straightforward thing, guys. You're going to have to use your brain. I spent a couple hours doing this myself and came to a conclusion that was close to the actual answer, but it wasn't exactly. And so, but that's life, right? We're looking at what's happening. So you're going to go in, there's an overview. You can click on this. It's the same worksheet, but I want you to actually write on the worksheet. You're going to do this at a voice level 0. So you'll click on the overview, kind of read through that. What's your learning outcomes? What are you expected to do? And then on the investigation tab, it's going to ask you to click on each of these. Now, read each of these through, or you're not going to come to the same conclusion. It doesn't make sense. When you're making your food chain, which is 1-to-1, you are going to not include oxygen because it's not alive, guys. All right? Now, see if I can get down. I can't even get down there. Okay, then you'll go to next. Make sure you read through all of those. I missed one, and it will matter. On this kind of thing, it's going to tell you what to do. So you need to open factors, and you need to read through these things. Okay? So it's going to tell you the population, and you're going to be comparing them later on. All right, next thing you're going to do, you need to pay attention to this. All right, you need to sketch it out on the back of your page. That's fine. You're going to go through each of these things, and it's going to have you actually open this and do things and change things. Now, I'm going to let you work on this silently if you can handle it and you're being respectful. If Mrs. McClanahan or whoever your sub is today decides that you can handle it, you can work with partners after you've worked on this for about 30 minutes by yourself. You might get frustrated. It's fine. Okay? Compare. Don't change your answer to whatever your partner's is. Compare. Make sure you're paying attention to the oxygen and nitrate levels in the pond and come to your conclusions. I did leave a sheet at the end if Mrs. McClanahan wants to read you some of the conclusions with about 5 minutes left. She can, and that might have things come together. You're being graded on your effort on this, and I can tell if you're just slopping things down. This should take you most of the hour. Okay, if you're done in 10 minutes, that's not going to work. So after you're done, you need to work on your food web worksheet. It is due tomorrow. That is right or wrong. So this what we're doing today is you trying hard to find the reason for the decline in population in the pond. Your food web worksheet is right or wrong answers. If you need help with that, you need to come and see me in the morning. Grades are due tomorrow. All of your test grades will be in. Please be respectful. Remember that if you are not respectful to the sub today, you can receive an hour detention. And we've talked about that. Be kind. I miss you guys. I will see you tomorrow.